Hi, fourth graders. Welcome to Doodles with Bitmoji. We're going to be drawing a new character today, so let's get started. Step 1 is to draw a curved line, and then meeting from the top of that curved line, draw kind of a wiggly line around and down. Step 2 is to draw a curved line under the other curved line that you just drew, and keep going. Extend your wiggly line over here and make this kind of going to end up being a little bit of a tail, and bring it around underneath. Step 3 is to add a leg underneath that little bit that I said was going to be the tail. And step 4 is to draw the rest of the body and then add a tongue. I made kind of a long tongue. Step 5 is to draw the eyes under that curve, that first curve, the curved line that we made, and then draw a little wiggly line next to the tongue to create its mouth. Step 6 is to finish up with any details on the body, on the tongue, in the eyes. And then finish up, last step, give your character a name and identify 3 different character traits from the doodle that you made yesterday. So your character's done for today. Don't forget, put it with your other one that you drew yesterday and start thinking of a story to include these characters and their character traits. Thank you for coming and spending some time doodling with Mo. See you next time on Doodles with Bitmoji.